Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Concentrix's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Concentrix, a global leader in technology and services, has just released their financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives like their new GenAI productivity applications.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Concentrix reported a net revenue of $2.448 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 9.7% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, reaching the high end of their guidance range. However, operating income decreased by 19.9% to $144.5 million, primarily due to increased spending on their new GenAI iX product suite. Despite this, their non-GAAP EPS was $3.26, slightly below last year's $3.36, but still a strong performance.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Concentrix has been making strategic moves with their GenAI product suite. How has this impacted their market position?
The GenAI product suite has been a significant focus, with more than a dozen wins shortly after its launch. This positions Concentrix well in the market, leveraging their technology to drive client success. Additionally, they returned $220 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, and increased their share repurchase authorization to $600 million, indicating strong confidence in their future prospects.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Concentrix in 2025?
Concentrix has provided a robust outlook for 2025, with revenue expected between $9.47 billion and $9.61 billion. They anticipate non-GAAP EPS to range from $11.18 to $11.77, and free cash flow between $625 million and $650 million. This guidance reflects their strategic focus on growth, margin expansion, and cash flow improvement.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.79 for the quarter. How did Concentrix perform against this expectation?
Concentrix exceeded the forecast with a non-GAAP EPS of $3.26, surpassing the single analyst's expectation of $2.79. This beat highlights their ability to manage costs and drive profitability despite increased investments in new technologies.
CEO insights and strategic vision. What insights did CEO Chris Caldwell provide regarding Concentrix's strategic vision?
Chris Caldwell emphasized their strategic execution in growth and market expansion. He highlighted the success of their GenAI product suite, which has already secured over a dozen wins. Caldwell expressed confidence in their strategic position and opportunities for ongoing growth, margin, and free cash flow as they enter 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Concentrix has delivered a strong performance with significant revenue growth and exceeded EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives and positive guidance for 2025 suggest a promising outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Concentrix's focus on innovation and shareholder value positions them well for future success. It's been a pleasure discussing their results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Concentrix's performance in the comments below.